Hello from the Cottrell Entrepreneurship Center at Westchester University. My name is Patty Diggin, and I'm the director of the center. This video contains information on Westchester University's Business Idea Competition. This year, we are very excited to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the BIC, which over the years has provided the opportunity for individuals and teams to explore new and exciting solutions through creative idea development. You are invited to submit your idea for a new product, service, or technology for the chance to win up to $4,000. Enter the competition as an individual or as part of a team. You may also submit multiple entries. When you submit your entry, you will be asked to answer the following questions. What is the problem or need your idea addresses? How are you solving the problem or addressing the need you identified? Who or what does your idea benefit? Who are the members of your team? And what is the overall benefit your idea provides? Total prize package for this year's competition is an amazing $11,500. There are 4 competitive tracks: Westchester University undergraduate students, Westchester University graduate students, alumni, faculty, and staff, Chester County high school students, and Chester County-based startups. All submissions are due by 11:59 on February 25th. Semi-finalists will be announced on March 21st, and they will be invited to participate in a fast pitch competition, which will take place on March 30th. The top 2 teams in each track will advance to the finals, which will be held at Westchester University's Alumni and Foundation Center on April 13th at 5 p.m. All the competition details are available at www.wcbizideas.com. Here is what you'll find at the competition website, where you can get further details and enter your idea. This is the portal used by the competition to collect the submissions. Click Create Your Account or Log In to begin to update your submission. At each stage of the submission process, you have the ability to save your work and log out. This gives you the ability to edit or complete your submission at a later date. Just remember that the submission deadline is February 25th. Please join us for the Business Idea Pitch Competition on April 13th at the Westchester University Alumni and Foundation Center, which is located at 202 Carter Drive in Westchester. Registration begins at 5 p.m. Register to attend the competition at www.wcubizideas.com. The Business Idea Competition is once again co-hosted by Westchester University, the Keiretsu Forum Mid-Atlantic, and the Greater Westchester Chamber of Commerce. The competition partners are I2N, an initiative of the Chester County Economic Development Council, and SCORE of Chester and Delaware counties. Very special thanks to Meridian Bank, the presenting sponsor of this year's competition, and to the gold sponsor, Univest. Follow the Cottrell Center on our social media channels. The Cottrell Center is located in the College of Business and Public Management, room 318. Please feel free to reach out to us at any time. Let's make the 10th anniversary Business Idea Competition the best one yet. I look forward to seeing your entries.
Danny Apex Productions.